Hello everyone, it's Terry here again. Today I am sharing a card that I created using the stamp set called Coffee Besties. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off my card, I am using a white cardstock. This cardstock is alcohol marker friendly. And I went ahead and stamped a coffee ground image down on the bottom right of my cardstock. And I went in and stamped that on masking paper as well. So this card is going to require a lot of masking, and honestly I know masking isn't for everybody, but I love masking. It creates such a different scene. So here I went ahead and fussy cut the images off screen, and I'm applying the masking paper over the stamped image. Then I went in and stamped the mug stamp with Copic marker friendly ink, and today I'm using Memento Black or Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I stamped that on top of the coffee beans. Now going in with another masked image, I went ahead and applied that over the coffee mug. And pretty much repeating the process, I mask and stamped, mask and stamp. So I wanted to create the scene that the coffee grounds were scattered on the floor as well as falling down. So you will see here that I am repeating the same process. I'm stamping the images down with black ink, and then I'm applying a masking paper, and I'm doing the same thing over and over until I get the look that I want. And now it's time to remove the masking paper. I think this is the best part. Okay, so now it's time for coloring. I know coloring is not for everybody either, and I will go ahead and speed up the process and play some music here, and I will leave the time above in the video if you wanted to forward it. So go ahead and skip the coloring process, just forward it to the time above. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now that the coloring has been completed, I went ahead and stamped out one of the sentiments with black ink on the card front. So off screen, I did trim down my card panel, and I'm adhering it with liquid adhesive onto black cardstock. The black cardstock is cut slightly larger than my card panel. And from there, I adhere that onto a top folding card base. And this card is pretty much complete. I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.